Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today we are going to talk about FX View, and this is a multi-trading platform where you can simply trade here. So we are going to talk about how to register this account, and there are lots of features in the FX View trading platform. So we will explore one by one. So simply you need to register. So first of all, enter your name, then after the phone number and the email address, then you can simply select your country, which country you belongs to. Simply click there and tap on register. Then after you will be successfully sign up your account, then you can see this kinds of interface over here. So after the registration, simply see over here like FX view, like a dashboard, wallet, account, funding, manage account. Here in the left side corner or in the left side, you can simply see over there. So first of all, you need to fill the details over there. So FX view, the personal information and financial details question, and the declaration form you need to like so over there. So simply you need to fill all the details over there, your name, your address, your postal code, everything you need to fill one by one. So please insert and fill the details over there, and I have provided the referral link in the description box. Please check it out. So if you follow the link, then you can simply get some rewards over there. So don't forget to use our referral link. So here you can simply see like the account setup, everything else. So this is a trading account. So here is nothing because we have not done anything worth it. So simply I am just exploring all these things and say to you each and every details over there. So I will share the features. So the decision is yours, whether you choose this platform or not, but the I'm going to just tell you the features of everything over here. So FXView is a trading multi-trading platform, and this is a broker platform where you can simply like do trading over here. So if you have the some amount of money, then you can simply like explore or invest over here, and you can simply explore all these things and you can invest the money over there. So that's it for the like this overview, and let us go further like account, funding, manage account, deposit. Here in the left side, like you can simply see all the things like Zulu trade, and you need to fill this form to just to just deposit the money and to just get into this platform. So simply you need to like fill all the details over there. So later on I will fill this form because so this is the YouTube policy, against YouTube policy. If I show my personal information, so this is prohibited. So you just fill the form. That's It's quite easy. Just they will ask your personal details. So simply you need to fill all these things. And here you can simply see the tools like overview, VPS, and economic calendar, traders toolbox, and calculator, trading hours, everything you can simply see. So what are the features of this? I'm going to tell you each and every detail. So if you deposit, then you will get 5,000 like trading things like practice trading, where you can simply practice the demo currency. So I have installed here the MT4 demo account, like traders toolbox. So if you want to do real trading over this platform, then you can simply download. So I have downloaded the MT4 like a demo account. So simply toolbox. So I have just extracted this, and let me just okay, so click on S, then after you will see this kinds of interface. Okay, so why this is not showing? So let me see once. So what's going on? So let me redo this. So you can also download this MT4 or MT5, whichever you prefer, then you can simply download. So okay, so this is successfully downloaded. I have downloaded this MT4 like toolbox. So simply you can download, then you can simply do trading over there. So see the graph, each and every details you can see over there. So here like calculator, so there are lots of things, like you can simply calculate the commission also. So from here you can simply calculate all the commission. They do have, this platform does have the various like currencies and the asset class and the symbol. You can simply calculate over there. So simply if you have money, then you can simply select the symbol also. So simply you can select it and calculate it. So I have just show you the this feature is also available here in FX view. So my major motive, our major motive to make this video is to just provide you the information. It depends upon you whether you like invest the money or not. It depends upon you. We are not forcing. Note that we are not forcing you to just invest here. We are just information provider. We are providing about this FX view platform information. So simply you can calculate the currency, each and everything it will provide you. So here are the list like commission margin, multi targets. Here you can simply explore all these things. Okay, so simply like market trading hours. So here like the forex open and close, the date and time. You can simply visit all these things, explore all these things, each and every details are there. So here are the market insight, news, video tutorial, webinars. Each and every details are provided here. If you need any help, then here are the customer support. You can simply like mail them. So or you can directly call them, or you can create a support ticket, then after they will reach to you. So simply I have just told about the like these features of this FX view, what you can simply do, what are the things to be considered while choosing this platform. So each details we have given to you. It depends upon you whether you choose this platform or not, whether you invest here or not. We are not forcing you to just get into it. So please note that we are not forcing you to just get into it. So if we force you, then we are against the YouTube policy, or like this is we are beyond in the law. So we need to say these kinds of things over here. So FXView is a trading like very good broker and trading platform where you can simply explore all these things. So I have provided the referral link in the description box. Please check it out. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading these kinds of videos furthermore also. Till then, bye bye and take care. Just explore all these things, and thanks for watching.